students. This is the Janmashtami activity for class 4 students. Now we will make a flute. This is flute making activity. Students, here are some material for the flute making. Firstly, you take a newspaper, a scissor, Fevicol, stapler, some tapes and some glitter sheets. Students, firstly we will take a newspaper, open it in this way, and now you have to fold it like this. Students, fold the newspaper in this way, slowly in this way. Fold the newspaper. Students, now we have fold. Now this is the glue. We will put it in this way. Here we will paste it very well. In this way you have to put the glue here, and your flute is now ready. You have to decorate it. Now students, now our flute is ready. So here are some tapes, so many colors. I will choose blue color. I will choose the blue color tape. Now I will put it on the flute in this way. Students, we will put this tape on this flute now in this way. Students, look carefully. We will put this tape on the flute in this way, very slowly. Students, you can take the help of your elder brother or sister, or you can take the help of your mother too in putting this tape on this flute. Students, I have folded or rounded this tape here. Our flute is somehow ready now. Now we have to cut here this like this. Now we have prepared it, but it is incomplete. Now we will take the next tape. I will choose the yellow color because yellow is look something better with blue. Now I will put the space between this. I will put this in this way. Students, put in the gap of the blue lines. We will put yellow tape in the gap where the newspaper is seen in this way. So students, now we have ready this flute in this way. Now we should have a tape, any of the color blue or yellow. Put this here. And next one, this here. Put this here to close it in this way. Put this here to close it so that it can be closed. Here you can use yellow color or blue as well, don't mind. Here blue, here also blue, in this way. Now students, we have ready for our flute. Now put some of the stones here. I have stones of blue color and also of the white color. This I will choose the blue color first. Here this I want to put here like this, like this, like this, and also like this here. Now one is left. I will put this here, not here, here. Now I think this is ready. Now I will choose this to put here in this way. I will cover this in this way. Now cover this in this way. Students, how is looking? Students, now our flute is ready. I want to put something here, that is this. I have already buy this from the market. You can also buy this from the market, or you can make this in your home also. This here, this, something here. Now we have ready this flute. This, how is looking? Please tell me. And students, I have one more flute. This also. This has already been completed. You can take any of the color for the flute. Thank you very much for watching this video.